So guys, I got a brand new EMF detector. Goes from green to red. You can kind of see the numbers there. I can't put it too close because obviously my phone spikes it. So I try to keep it kind of far because the phone spikes it. But put it on, this is cotton. Put it on cotton, nothing, stays green. Put it on, this is comet, nothing, stays green. Put it on tundra, this is tundra, and it tends to spike sometimes. Yep, see, there it goes. Can you get it to yellow for everybody? They'd like to see you put it on yellow. Hi, tundra. Can you get it on yellow? You had it on orange earlier. Can you get it to yellow? Oop, there it kind of goes.